Hi, and welcome to this exam prep series for Azure AI Engineer Associate, AI 102 certification. So, this series is going to focus on all the labs that you need to understand what's happening and pass the exam. So, just to recap, there are 6 modules in total, out of which the first one is getting started with Azure AI services. Now, this module in itself has got multiple labs, and I'll go through each and every one of them. Do keep in mind that if you want to follow along, you will need a Azure account set up, and that'll give you around 30 days of free credits that you can use for running these labs as well. And just to make it easier for you, I will also add in the links to each of the labs in the description of the video as well. So let's get started.